What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. As always, hope you've all had a great day, and if you're new here, welcome. Today we're just doing a little bit of analysis for you on HBAR. Now, to start off, we're on the weekly time frame. Now, this structure to me looks really nice, and as you can tell when I'm recording this video, HBAR is pumping. We're up about 44%, something like that. And what I could see before this pump even happened is some really nice structure within the market. And what you can see here is price putting in high, low, high, and pulled back. Okay. Now the area where we pulled back to was here. And you can see that within that wick. Now this to me was really nice, and it was a healthy correction because we pulled back into this high low. Now anything above this high low, this area here, is still bullish. If, let's say, a candle, a 4H candle, let me just delete that there. If this 4H candle, for example, had broke and closed below this structure like so, then of course I would have been looking at a more sell bias market. Now the reason for this is once you've invalidated the trend within the market, so once you've broke, in this case below the high low, then that indicates that you're having a reversal in the trend, and your directional bias will be flipping from being bullish to bearish in this case. But of course that didn't happen, and what we did get was a really nice rejection from this area, and you can see we've tapped into this area and we've boomed basically. So what we'll do now is we'll go on to the 4H time frame, and I'll just delete this for you and we'll break this down a little bit more, and now you can identify reversal in trend on the 4H time frame. So as we're looking at this, you can see here, this is the area in which we tapped in to this major level on the weekly time frame. Now, if we just zoom in on 4H, what you can see here is price putting in lower lows, low highs, lower low. And where you can see this low high here, you can see that price tapped into this and we bounced off it and we started pushing down, which suggests we're still in a downtrend because we never broke above it. But then we had a lot of consolidation, and we consolidated around this area here. Slowly but steadily, we started pushing up. So what I've been looking for was a break of this structure. And when you start getting a break of structure, in this case, the lower high, you then want to see a retest. And that's exactly what we got. So price was trending down like so. This isn't, I don't use trend lines, but I just use them as a visual perspective so I can see, price is clearly moving down. So you can see price moving down. We hit this area, we bounced off, consolidated, we're still bearish. As soon as you start flipping bullish, then you can start thinking to yourself, right, what confluences have we got? We never made a new lower low. We've just broken this lower high. What we're looking for next, I was looking for a retest of structure and then to get that continuation. And to be honest, we got the retest and we've just boomed basically. And obviously that's due to the news today. I've seen something, I've not looked into it too much, but I've seen some partnership with BlackRock. I'm not going to go into too much detail because I don't really know anything about it. But yeah, things looking good for HBAR. We're back up to these, back up to this high that we put in March, which is, a really good sign. So to me, what I'm looking for now is for a high, because when you're in an uptrend, you put in a high low, high low. What comes after a high low? A higher high. Well, we will go to, we'll have to see. Some key areas within the market. We've got a bit of clear structure here for us to move through. Now, just to go off this is an area of interest for me. Now, of course, this would be a big push. It'd be a 100% move, 110% move if we got that. First of all, what I will be looking for, though, is I will be looking for, this is the weekly candle. I'll be looking for this daily candle to just close bullish. But what would be even better is if we get a weekly close up and above this area here. Now I want it to close up and above this area here is because then our candle body is basically closing up and above these candle body highs here. Now, of course, we've got the wicks, but what's more important to me when I'm doing my analysis is the candle body close, which is these areas here. That's it there, and that's it there. Well, actually, that's a lie. That's the close of this candle because it's a bearish candle. So what I want to see is just a close basically above this on the weekly. Now, we probably will have a pullback. People will probably be taking profits after a 45% move, whatever it was. But yeah, things looking good. Next move for me, if we get a nice close, will be a higher high. Now, of course, we've got these areas here, but I don't really like to look at these, to be honest. Things start getting messy. We could push up to here, we could pull back for a retest of this and then get a continuation. I'm not too sure, and I'm not going to give you any price targets. But what I'm looking for now is I'm looking for that bullish continuation. So let's see. Who knows? This is crypto for you. It's all exciting. I'm feeling good about HBAR. Some positive moves, positive market structure. Let's go. So that's it. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to do an update on HBAR probably tomorrow for you. So yeah, I look forward to it. So as always, everyone, thank you for tuning in. Take care, and I will see you all in the next video. Cheers. Bye-bye.